I was sitting all day long on my pajama, eating peanut butter jelly with my mama. Always fighting with myself just for the drama, just for the drama, just for the drama. I see pushy people all around now, but my belly telling me to run now. They keep asking me to shine just like the sun, just like the sun, but I don't wanna, cause baby it's so comfortable in my paparazzi, always running away, cause baby it's so comfortable. They keep calling my